Hello traders and welcome to the Market Open Preview brought to you on a Tuesday, July 22nd, 2014. Traders, great to be with you. Traders coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand with cloudy skies and a little bit of sun. We still have some white sandy beaches and a little rough water in the Gulf of Thailand. Traders, this is brought to you by FXCL Excellence in Trading. Traders, again, wonderful to be with you again. We have a lot to talk about today. We're going to talk about something new today in the charts. That's going to be a little bit interesting. I think we're going to look at that a little bit more as we have all this global, global news. Wars breaking out and plane crashes and all this sort of stuff. So we're going to take a look at something new today. All right, traders, if you would, let me introduce myself to you. My name is William Gilday, and I am your moderator for the Market Open Preview that is brought to you every single trading day before the London Open. Traders, I started trading in 2006, and in 2008 I retired from an awesome career in the fire rescue department out of the great state of Florida. Traders, 9 days later got on a big airplane, came to Thailand for a 3-month vacation, sort of celebration time. And what happened? It's 2014, I'm still here, traders. Traders, I love trading the Forex market. I'm in the Forex market every single day, fundamentals, charts, technical analysis, you name it, I'm doing it. Absolutely adore what I do for a second career. And traders, I have to tell you, I absolutely think being with you every single trading day is a great opportunity and a pleasure. All right, traders, let's move over to the risk disclaimer. Forex trading has a large potential rewards, but also a large potential of risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex markets. Let's see, and do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Traders, if you're trading with your expense money, please take a deep breath and reconsider what you're doing and possibly go to a demo account until you can trade the Forex markets comfortably in your financial situation. Remember that past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. All right, traders, let's head over to the news desk. All right, so let's look at the Dow 30 closed 0.28% in the red. S&P 500 also in the red at 0.23%. NASDAQ in the red at 0.15%. Wow. Let's go to the other side of the pond and not looking any better, traders. I have to tell you, we have a lot of red on the other side. The DAX closed 1.11%. The FTSE 100 closed negative 0.31%, the CAC 40, negative 0.71%, the Euro Stoxx 50, negative 0.78%. Not good on that side. All right, let's take a look at the Asian side, and we have the Nikkei 225, which is currently trading, is positive 0.99%. The Shanghai is up 0.96%. The Hang Seng, also currently trading, is at 1.27%. And the Kospi is up 0.39%. Heading over to Sydney, Australia, the S&P ASX 200 is down barely 0.06%. All right, traders, in today's news, we have nothing in the London session today. However, going into the U.S. session, we have two high-impact news events, and that is core CPI year-on-year and existing home sales. Traders, remember there is medium and low impact news events throughout the day. Please check with your economic calendar and make note of that if you are in any kind of trades today. All right, what do you think? To the charts we go. So traders, believe it or not, I did not realize that it was on my MT4 platform. And it is, and I'm happy to bring into our arsenal gold. That's it, gold. We're going to talk about gold. So this is a daily gold chart, and as you can see, it is bullish. However, it's been sideways for quite a while now. So this looks like a flag pattern to me. So pretty interesting here. And we are above the 200 exponential moving average. So my bias would be we should be bullish. That gold is going to continue to the upside. All right, let us move over now to the 60-minute chart. And traders, we're going to trade this like any other instrument. Remember, traders, that if you can read charts and you can read fundamentals and you have a little bit of an understanding on fundamentals, I'm a technical trader myself, but I respect and I know fundamentals and how it will affect my trades on a daily basis. So if we're going to talk about gold, remember, We don't care what we're trading. We could be trading pork belly pigs. As long as we can read a price chart and we can do technical analysis, we can trade it. So this is no different than we would trade if we were trading the euro dollar, right? So we're going to just look at this as any other chart and see what we have. What we have is we have price on this 60-minute chart. This is a 1 hour chart, 60-minute chart that is below the 200 exponential moving average. We're bullish by what we saw on the daily chart, so we're bullish, so we need a close above that 200 exponential moving average at about 13, I'd say, about 13.16 would be nice. We're going to take this to the upside. We're going to take it all the way up to 13.34, which is just below the 161.8 Fibonacci extension. That'll be our take profit, and you can see we are going to take our stop and place it at 30.86, it looks like. So we'll put our stop there, and right below there, you can see why I picked that. One, it was a fib, and two, if you look left of the chart where the little X's on the chart for the stop, you'll see that that past area was respected both as support and resistance. So that's where the stop is going to go. And this looks like a nice trade on the 60-minute chart for gold. All right, let's head over to the 15-minute chart and see what we have, traders. On the 15-minute chart, nice simple trade plan here. Basically, the stop is going to go below the 200 exponential moving average. Nice to see price above the 200. Look at the Bollinger Band. The upper Bollinger Band is open to the upside. This is looking really nice. We're basically in the sweet spot here. However, we are 3 hours and 5 minutes before the London Open. Therefore, I would not be considering taking anything at this point, and we're going to have to wait for the London Open before we can get our entry. This is not something we want to jump into before the markets open in London. Need some volatility, need some money in the markets, and we can do this. So pretty interesting when we look at gold, and we'll keep an eye on it, and we'll just watch this every couple of days, so we'll come back and revisit gold again. All right, traders, let's go to a currency pair that I really like, and it's finally waking back up. And traders, that is the Euro Aussie Daily. Look at this, still down below the 200 exponential moving average. It is absolutely bearish. Look at this. It is in a range that is so ugly at support. So we're just going to have to sit here and wait. But what is my bias? My bias is we want to take this to the downside. So keeping the daily chart in mind, if we're going to take short trades both on the 60-minute chart and the 15-minute chart, we have to realize that we're at support and we need to watch that. We probably want to mark that on our charts if we enter into the trade so we know that we possibly get some bounces in those levels. Okay, let's head over to the Euro Aussie, and this is the 60-minute chart. Two trade plans here. One is let this pull back as close to the 200 exponential moving average, which is at 44.53, and we'll take this short. As you can see, I have it at 1.4441, and we can take this short. What's the issue here? The issue is we have a valid trend line. It's like a 6-touch trend line, and we're not there yet. So we want to see this price pull back. The other option is we can trade below the trend line with a close below it at 44.23 and just take this to the downside till we get to the next support area. So we have two trade opportunities in here. Not liking anything before the London Open, though. I really like to see this pull back to that 44.41 area, as close to that 200 exponential moving average. I like that trade better than I like below the trend line. So that's what I'm going to be looking at today. But there is two opportunities to get into this trade, so I thought I'd share with them both with you. And look, at the stop is where it needs to be, and it's right above the 200 exponential moving average. All right, traders, let's go over to the 15-minute chart. Very easy trade setup. We're just waiting for this pullback as close as we can get it to that 200 exponential moving average at 44.16, and we're basically at that sweet spot. So right now, we're hoping that this will just go sideways for the next 3 hours, and we could take this bearish. We'll take this down, and this looks like a nice trade setup on the 15-minute chart. Out of all the charts, I have to tell you, this 15-minute is looking good, and our take profit is at 1.4392. So we want to take that down to 43.92, and that is looking absolutely great. All right, traders, on behalf of myself and FXCL Excellence in Trading. Traders, I want to thank you for being with me for another version of the Market Open Preview on a Tuesday, July 22nd, 2014. Traders, have a great trading day, and we'll see you tomorrow before the London Open. Take care, traders, and coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand. Take care, and bye-bye.